Hello all. Today we are going to see how to use inventory masters in Tally and also create a program for stock item. So if your company has stocks or if you're handling with any kind of stocks inside the company, you actually use the option inside the Tally and keep an account of the stocks that is coming inside and going outside. So let's start the program. I'm going to create a company now. So I'm just going to name it as stock item creation. And let's just give any kind of basic details. I'm just going to go through with this. Next is I'm just going to click Tamil Nadu. Here it is very important. You have to select accounts with inventory option here. If you are going to select accounts only, this stock item creation cannot be done, and we cannot do any kind of inventory master sums. So you have to click accounts with inventory. I'm just going to enter everything else. I'm not going to anything change anything else. Yep, yes. So now our new company is being created, and we have come to this gateway of Tally screen. So I'm just going to see the problem under using which we are going to create the program. So here they have given the stock group. So suppose just imagine our company is like a durable goods selling company. So it's under stock group, we are going to sell TV, fridge, and washing machine. Under the stock item, they have given the variety names, different kind of names that we are going to sell. And what is the stock that is present here? The number of stock that is actually there, and a rate per unit is also given here. So we are going to input all these items in Tally. So for us to keep a track of the stock items that is inside our company. So here, the one thing we have to start with is something called inventory info. So basically, we'll start with the normal ledgers. We'll go to the accounts info, enter the ledgers and everything. Since it's inventory, we are going to click the inventory info. And first foremost, we have to start with something called unit of measure. So it's just nothing but unit of measure is something which we actually measure the quantity. Whether if it's your company is selling milk or water or something, we can actually create it as liters or any kind of kilograms, kgs, and what are the units we needed. Since it's a durable goods and we cannot actually measure it by kilos or liters or something, I'm just going to create the unit of measure as numbers. So here the symbol will be short form is NOS and the full form will be numbers. Number of decimal places, that is 0, since we are not going to actually create 1.2 or 2.3, something like that. Here I'm going to click it as yes. Now let's go back, and we have something called stock group here. You see the problem, it will start with stock group only if you create the stock group, we can actually create the stock item under that and give all the other details. So let's just go back here. I'm going to click the stock group, and we are going to create multiple or single, you can use any item. So let's start with creation of single stock group. So first is TV, and it is under primary, and can quantities can be added, yes, click yes. So the next item will be fridge, and it is also under primary, here also yes, yes. And the next item given is washing machine, here also it's under primary, and here yes. So if we want to just see the display whether everything we have created, I'm just going to click display here. See, we have all the three items that we have created, fridge, TV, and washing machine. The only thing pending for us is to enter the different kind of stock items that is listed in the problem. So now let's go here, create stock item. So I'm just going to create single stock item one by one, or multiple, you can select anything. We are going to create under multiple. So I'm just going to click all item. So the first stock item given is Samsung 40-inch TV. So Samsung 40-inch TV, and it's under TV, and the number a unit of measurement is numbers, and the opening quantity. So the opening quantity is 4 and the rate per unit is 12,000. Opening quantity is 4 and the rate per unit is 12,000. So it will automatically calculate the total amount of Samsung 40-inch TV that we have. So let's go to the next item. So the next item is Sony 32-inch TV. Sony 32-inch TV, and it is again under TV, again numbers. Here the opening stock is for 5, number of items is 5, and the rate is 30,000. So here it's 5, here is 30,000. So it's 1,50,000, this calculated directly. And let's go to the next item, that is LG 24-inch TV. So LG 24-inch TV, here also it's under TV, it's under numbers, and it's 12 units. 12 units, and the price for one unit is 20,000 rupees. So that's it. And we have entered all the three TVs. Next is we are going to see the fridge items. We also have three items under that. The first one is Whirlpool 210 liters. So Whirlpool 210 liters. It's under fridge. Make sure you actually select the correct stock group. Next is also under numbers. Here it's 12 and the amount is 24,000. So it's 12 and the amount per unit is 24,000. Again, it's calculated automatically. And the next item given here is Godrej 190 liters. So Godrej 190 liters. It's under fridge again. Here numbers. and the quantity given is 6 and the price is 23,000. So 6, 23,000. Okay. So the next item will be higher 165 liters. Higher 165 liters. Again, it's under fridge. Here numbers. And the quantity given is 5 and it's here 12,005. 12,000. And I think three fridge is entered and three types of TVs are entered, and one more item is pending, that is washing machine, that is Philips 6.5 kg fully automated. So Philips 6.5 kg fully automated, that will be under our washing machine. Here also number, and here it's 6 and 23. So here 6 quantity and 23,000 per price. So yes, they have created. So let's just see, anything is pending, nothing else. So I'm going to just save all these items. You can actually do one by one. It's not a problem. So if your company actually gets the stock daily or monthly or weekly, any kind of new stock, you can actually create it under single stock item creation. Since we have the whole sum together, and I have created this option. So I'm just going to click enter once more and save this. So if I want to see all the items that is displayed, I can actually see it here. We have the whole summary of the products that we have entered. And in order for us to see what is the spending stock that our company has, Tally has a report. So you can go to this gateway of Tally by clicking escape and into the main screen. Under the reports, you have something called stock summary. So I'm just going to click that. See, so under each heading, you can see what is the total number of quantities, what is the closing balance, and what is the value together. So I want to see what are the type of fridge that I have, or TV they have, or washing machine they have. For that, I will click Alt plus EF1. So see, they have different kind of items that we have created, the stock item creation with their names. They also have given the number of total quantity of items there. So it will be useful for any people in the company to keep the check of their stock by just seeing this stock summary that is prepared by the Tally. So this is how you actually use Inventory Masters in Tally and also see the stock summary. So thank you for listening.